Hi guys, we are all in the midst of a global coronavirus pandemic, and I'm sure you must have heard that people with underlying health issues are at a greater risk. So what does it actually mean for a person with an autoimmune condition such as lupus? By the way, if you don't know what lupus is, then please subscribe to my channel to see my other videos on lupus. I have lupus, which means my immune system, which is supposed to protect me from infections and viruses, is actually confused and is attacking my own healthy tissues and organs. My body is producing a lot of white blood cells which are hyperactive. To prevent my immune system from damaging my healthy tissues, I have to take immunosuppressant medications to make it less hyperactive. I take azathioprine or Imuran and also prednisone as immunosuppressants in combination with an anti-malarial drug called hydroxychloroquine, or often known as Plaquenil, which I use to treat lupus. I think every one of us knows what happens when our immune system is suppressed. So as a lupus sufferer, what do I do when we are surrounded by coronavirus? Do I boost my immune system against viruses and infections and let my hyperactive immune system land me on hospital bed with life-threatening lupus complications? Or do I suppress my immune system for lupus and become prone to everyday viruses and infections and still end up in hospital with severe illness? I can't win in either case. To fight off coronavirus, I need to have a strong immune system. But for lupus, my immune system is purposefully drugged to be lethargic. This is why people with an autoimmune condition such as lupus are at a higher risk of catching this coronavirus, because most of us are on immunosuppressant medications. I'll give you a hypothetical situation just to explain how deadly COVID-19 could be to a lupus sufferer. Say, if I catch coronavirus, then it will be a natural response from my body to produce antibodies to fight off this virus. So automatically I'll have a high production of white blood cells in my body. If this coronavirus is going to affect my lungs, then some of my white blood cells, my body's army, would protect my lungs, while the rest of my white blood cells could just get confused and not be able to differentiate between the virus cells and their own white blood cells. For anyone who is generally healthy with no underlying health conditions, maybe only their lungs will get infected and there's a high chance that they will recover quickly. But for me, my lungs could get severely damaged because not just the coronavirus, but my own immune system could be attacking my lungs as well. This could also worsen or complicate my pre-existing conditions, say lupus-related kidney disease, heart disease, or skin rash. And it could further trigger new diseases for me as well, like liver disorder, brain damage, or inflammation of joints. Can you see how quickly my condition could deteriorate from one organ infection to a whole body dysfunction? So chances of my full recovery are quite slim. I can't imagine how doctors would balance medication for coronavirus and lupus at the same time. Would that be just trial and errors? Would the doctors be treating me for coronavirus first and then do damage control on my lupus complications? If there are any doctors watching this video right now, please let me know your views in the comment section below. It would help us lupus sufferers with our anxiety on this issue. Moving on, you must have heard that hydroxychloroquine or Plaquenil, the medication I take for my lupus, was said to be preventing, treating, or curing coronavirus. According to COVID-19 Global Rheumatology Alliance Registry, this is not true, and there's ongoing research on this. So please do not stock up on hydroxychloroquine tablets and cause a shortage of supply, because you may just put a lupus patient at risk of not being able to access this very important medication for themselves. Also, if you have an underlying health condition or an autoimmune condition such as lupus, then please be proactive into identifying the symptoms of SARS-CoV-2. Lupus and coronavirus symptoms overlap, so please pay extra attention to your body when you start experiencing fever, muscle pain, fatigue, and at the same time dry cough, shortness of breath, loss of taste or smell, chest pains, etc. For people with lupus, we should be strictly protecting ourselves from catching coronavirus, and everyone else should be strictly preventing the spread of coronavirus. Here are some measures that we could take to prevent ourselves from catching coronavirus. Number 1, stay in one bubble and limit physical contact with people outside of your bubble. Number 2, learn to say no. I understand it is difficult when your own family and friends misunderstand you, but it is okay to say no to visits to family gatherings or to visit a sick relative. Most importantly, you know what is best for you and you should be able to decide for yourself. 3, for those of you who are working, please talk to your employers and make work arrangements so that you're not compelled to board public transports at peak hours or find yourself in crowded places. 4, don't be afraid to ask for help from your family and friends to, say, run errands for you like shopping or filling your prescriptions. Next, it is okay to focus on your own mental health and well-being and do things to avoid physical or emotional stress. Next, pay attention to your lupus triggers and take proactive steps to manage those. I'm sure the last thing you want is to be sitting in a hospital waiting room full of other sick people. Of course, if you have to go out, please wear a mask, use hand sanitizers, maintain physical distance, and avoid touching your eyes, nose, mouth, or face. I guess this applies to everybody. We are practicing physical distancing, but please do stay connected with your loved ones through internet, phone, or your computer. Stay informed on the developments of coronavirus cases in your locality. Exercise and be active and eat healthy. Do let me know in the comment section below what other precautions you're taking so that the rest of us could learn from you. For those of you with lupus, if unfortunately you do contract coronavirus, then please continue to take your prescribed lupus medication and contact your doctor immediately. I hope this video was informative and you now have an idea of how deadly this coronavirus could be to a lupus sufferer. Obviously, this could apply to anyone with an underlying health condition. None of us want to be infected with this virus, so let's all take initiatives to prevent ourselves from catching and spreading this coronavirus. Please be mindful and sensitive to others' needs. You could be healthy with a strong immune system and can pull through infections and viruses. But there are so many of us who are not so lucky, and especially lupus sufferers, where our immune system itself turns against us. If you could relate to this video, then please subscribe to my Lupus Comforts channel to view my other videos on lupus. Till next time, let's help each other stay safe from coronavirus.